What's that? It's like,
I hope he's not about to. I hope he's not about to pour something out of that throat.
You can't tell if it's happy.
I don't know, bro.
angry,
I don't know.
sad.
Honestly. Following you now.